Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkin and you're watching the weekly review of Forex and stock markets on Insta TV. Trading on Wall Street closed higher on Friday, which was not a surprise. Friday was the slowest trading day of the year. It seemed that investors paid little attention to the speeches delivered by Janet Yellen and Mario Draghi. Thus, the S&P 500, the broad index, fell by 0.2% to 1,988.40 points. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial dropped by 0.2% to close at 17,001.22 points. The Nasdaq Composite manages to end trading on the upbeat note, adding 0.1%, going up to 4,538.55 points. At the end of the week, all three indices scored another week up. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq popped by 1.7% each, while the Dow gained 2%. The speech of the Fed's head Janet Yellen failed to give market a jolt. After that, updates on the Russia-Ukraine tensions sent the quotes lower. However, the market pared losses soon. Giving her speech, Janet Yellen was cautious as usual, maintaining her previously set dovish tone. She noted that the employment rate and inflation are stabilizing and heading to the thresholds set by the central bank. Now the regulator focus will be shifted to the timing of rate hikes. Apart from this, Mario Draghi said that the ECB is ready to head down the path of economic stimuli to curb unemployment. But Mario Draghi pointed out that the central bank is unable to solve this problem all alone. Most analysts shared the view that positive statistics supported the quotes last week. Of particular note, there were housing starts and unemployment claims. Besides, a slew of strong financial data for the second quarter contributed to quotes increase. On Friday, Apple's shares finished at $101.32 per share, having accumulated 0.74%. Reuters, citing anonymous sources, said that the production of new screens for iPhone 6 caused some delays. Nevertheless, it is unknown whether this can trigger delivery delays. Meanwhile, the analysts think there is nothing to worry about. They are sure that Tim Cook will unveil a brand new iPhone on the presentation scheduled for the 9th of September. As for other corporate news, Abercrombie Fitch company quotes closed last week at the level of 43.80 apiece, having added 0.69%. Thursday will deliver corporation's report on profits and losses incurred for the second quarter of the current year. The analysts expect the adjusted profits of the company to clock in at $8 million or 11 US cents per share, with the revenue of $908 million. For context, the shares of Abercrombie Fitch have already gone up by 32% since the year's start and rose by 17% for the last 3 months. Most of analysts maintain their buy rating on the company's stocks. And this concludes the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by our InstaForexs team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.